You'll never have to throw away the plastic lids again. I will guide you through the fascinating process of reusing them in an innovative and environmentally friendly way. Let's start by gathering a wide variety of plastic lids. If you can obtain them in different colors, even better. Chromatic diversity not only adds an aesthetic touch, but also facilitates sorting and organizing. For example, in my collection, the red tapas stand out, which I will use first in a creative project. The next step is to take the selected tapas to an old pot, intended exclusively for this purpose. It is important to emphasize that this pot is no longer used for cooking, thus ensuring a safe and contaminant-free process. Once in the pot, the red lids are subjected to intense heat on the stove, with the aim of starting the plastic melting process. During the first 7 minutes, the lids begin to soften and melt gradually, releasing the pigments that colored them. To avoid wasting material and to optimize the space in the pot, we add the other lids once the red ones have reached the desired melting point. This careful handling of the process ensures that all the caps are fully integrated and dissolve evenly in the molten mixture. In the meantime, we prepare the next step, which involves the use of 2 identical aluminum pots. These vessels are treated with a light spray of oil, both on the inside and on the edges, to prevent the melted plastic from sticking. In addition, we carefully grease a flat surface that will serve as a mold to shape the melted plastic. Then, carefully pour the melted plastic into one of the vessels, filling it to half of its capacity. With millimetric precision, we place the second vessel on top of the first, creating a kind of aluminum and plastic sandwich. With the help of a piece of thick wood, we exert uniform pressure on the tops of the vessels, ensuring that the molten plastic is evenly distributed throughout the mold. Once this phase is complete, carefully remove the upper vessel and allow the molded plastic to cool and solidify for approximately 10 minutes. After this time, we carefully unmold the solid plastic piece, revealing its definitive shape and final appearance. However, before concluding our project, we dedicate a few additional minutes to a final finishing step, sanding. With the right tools, we smooth out any irregularities on the plastic surface, ensuring a finish that is smooth and pleasant to the touch. This additional step not only enhances the aesthetics of the final product, but also ensures its functionality and long-term durability. Its unique design and smooth finish make it an invaluable piece, perfect for a wide range of domestic and decorative uses. If you've come this far, leave dish emojis so I know you've seen the entire video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.